So it's been a few nights since I've done any work. So many other things to do. But I did get a little bit of puttying and sanding done to kind of clean up some of the seams and edges, fill in a few of the gaps that were created. These boxes on the side had gaps there, so I was able to get those cleaned up. So tonight I am hoping to get just a little bit of time in to fix this last gap that's right in here, and then maybe work on some of the parts for step 5 that attach to this. So here we go. Just a quick note, as I am finishing this, or not finishing, but as I'm moving on to step 5, I clipped these pieces from the sprue. Here's a sample, and I noticed that there is a defect in the part right there, and you know, I can sand that right, except it actually it cuts through a part that's piece is supposed to be solid. And so I was thinking through how I was going to fix it, and as I was looking ahead to see in the instructions if you know, if this ends up getting covered or whatever, I found that in a future step you actually choose which of the two, get in frame here, which of the two like rocket launcher type things you end up going with, and this is Model 2 or Model 1, and it looks like 1 is the US Marine version of the tank, and then 2 is the US Army version of the tank. And since I was planning on doing the US Marine, C Company or Dumpany, if you read that verbatim, 1st Tank Battalion, I'm going to do this one here, so I am actually not going to need to use that part. I'm going to use the ones that look like that. That will save me having to figure out how to fix that, which is nice. So that's what I'm off to now. We'll take a look here at these and see about putting those together instead. I am going to be honest, this is like crazy tiny pieces to have to finesse in place with the right amount of glue, cement, and the right finesse. So 8 of these on each of the rocket system things. Alright, 4 down, 4 more to go for side 1. And I'm probably just going to put these together and not actually install them tonight. It's taking me a little longer. I had to clean off each little piece because the way the sprue kind of spurs off of them, you have to kind of clip them and then trim them and file, so they're just so tiny and delicate. Anyway, so I'm going to finish that up and then call it a night. And all finished with this step here. Looks good. I'll have to work on that next time, but these are done for, I can say all done, but it's really each of these individual pieces connected to those pieces, and then all of these connected to the array, and there it is. So these two are set for the back piece that then attaches to the turret. And I'm calling it a night. Thanks for watching.